This is Do It Again by Redman in the key of C. So I hope you enjoy this simple version. Make sure to stop this video right now because I do have the printable chord sheet below in the description. You can print out, follow along with me. It'll make a lot more sense. All right, so in the key of C, we have some main chords. We have C chord, F chord, and G chord. And that's all we have in this song. So like I said, simple. You can't get any more simple than this. It doesn't even have a minor chord in it. All right, so it starts out with F chord. So we're gonna play F, A, C, and then we're gonna rock up to the C chord, C, E, G. So the verses are just gonna go back and forth, F, and then C, F, C, F, C, all right? The chorus is where we pick up a few more, we just pick up that extra G. But what our left hand is gonna be doing is when our right hand is playing chords, left hand is just gonna play single notes. You're gonna put thumb on C, line up all your fingers, not move this hand the entire song. C, F, and then our G, single notes. So for the verses, you're just gonna go, and then C, F, and C, okay? The chorus, like I said, we're gonna go, your promise still stands is G. Great is your faithfulness, C. Your faithfulness, I'm still in your G hands. This is my confidence, C. You've never failed me yet. Okay, so it just goes F and through the whole thing. F, G, C, F. Pretty much repeats that. Okay, let's see the bridge. Let's just hop over to that. It's not going to be any different than the verse. So if you know how to play the F chord. I've seen you move the mountains. C, and I believe I'll see you do it again. F, you made a way where there was no way. C, and I believe I'll see you do it again. F, and then the ending, you'll follow along when I play it top to bottom. You'll catch it. It's just F, C, F, C. You get the picture. The rhythm that we're gonna do though, let's just talk about that for a minute. This is a really quiet, still song. So you can play it a number of different ways, but if you are just wanting for your own enjoyment, I would probably just, maybe in the verse 1, start out pretty simple. Walking around these walls, see, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. Okay, and then you can start to pick up a rhythm, so here we go. Waiting for change to come. All we're doing is together, right? Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Me yet. Together, right, together, right. Pretty simple. When we go into the chorus, the rhythm is, your promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands. This is my confidence. You've never failed me yet. Pretty simple. This is like a really fun one to play along with Redman because they just rock this out as a band. But it makes you feel like when you're just playing the most simple way, it still makes you feel like you're just rocking it out because you can add in some fun vocal parts to this as well. I'm going to play it top to bottom. You can follow along with me. Go to the beginning if you need some extra help. Rock it out. Here we go. Walking around these walls, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. Waiting for change to I've seen you move. You move the mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You've made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. Your promise still stands, and great is your faithfulness.